Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to make a tree map chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, and this first, open Google Sheets and create new project or open your project. Okay, open project and view category, amount, and click on this and click on car. Press shift your keyboard and click on this, right? And select all category and select all amount. In left corner, click on insert and click on chart. Open chart editor. This don't open and click on this, double click and open chart editor window. Okay. And click on setup and click on chart type and scroll down. Click on search other and search tree map. Okay, now and this, click on this and create tree map, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it.